This method outlines consistent dental care and the use of specific products. What will you learn to save your teeth? 1. Understanding tartar and plaque. 1. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that forms on your teeth. 1. When not properly cleaned off, it can harden into tartar, also known as calculus, which can lead to gum disease and other dental issues. 2. Tartar is hardened plaque that typically forms at and below the gum line and can be more difficult to remove than plaque. 2. Preventing plaque and tartar formation. Preventing plaque and tartar formation xylitol. Use xylitol, a sugar alcohol that can inhibit the growth of bacteria responsible for plaque. 1. Consume xylitol mints after meals and snacks to promote healthy biofilm, a protective layer on your teeth, and prevent plaque from forming. 2. Healthy biofilm. A well-maintained biofilm resists plaque and tartar buildup. 2. By regularly using xylitol and avoiding frequent snacking or drinking, you help develop this protective layer. 3. Removing existing tartar. 1. Complete mouth care system. Use complete mouth care system, which involves brushing, flossing, and using mouthwash like Listerine. 1. The system should be used twice a day and not more than 3 times a day. 2. Listerine Use. Starting with Listerine Cool Mint, but for stubborn tartar, switching to original Listerine can be more effective. 2. However, Listerine should never be used on its own because it is acidic, with a pH of around 4.2, which could potentially promote plaque and tartar formation if not properly neutralized. 3. Consistency. Regular use of these methods over a period of about 6 months can significantly reduce or even eliminate tartar buildup. 4. Long-term maintenance. 1. By maintaining this regimen, you may find that your dental visits become easier and less frequent as the tartar and plaque formation decreases. 2. If you found this information useful, please like, comment, or subscribe to spread the power =good knowledge